Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's. If you are tired of seeing criminals get away with murder, tired of hearing excuses for the wicked, then it's time to take action. Hit that subscription button now and stay in the loop with the Jamaica Young Police channel. We are not here to sugarcoat. We are here to expose the truth, bring justice, and make sure the real heroes get the recognition they deserve. Don't wait for the change. Be the change. Subscribe, like, and let's make some noise and hold those criminals accountable. Justice in action. Speak up. Crime must fall. And remember that we have go inside the description box and you'll see various links to various things for the Jamaica Young Police channel. JamaicaYoungPoliceChannel.com, where you see articles and stuff like that. Those who like to read, and and we continue to give you guys exceptional material over here. So, moving on. Yes, we don't fear dance, we don't fear badges, we don't fear silence. Here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we believe in one thing above all: exposure is a cure for corruption. And in this episode, you are going to hear a witness. It's untold stories that you have never heard before, and it's unfolding in real time. So too many criminals have hidden behind downships. Too many corrupt cops have hidden behind their badges. But today, those shadows are getting ripped wide open because silence is a real killer. So the detective speaks, names, faces, facts. So get ready, because you are about to hear from a real detective, a man who served Jamaica with honor, courage and distinction. Yes, and who's had enough of the lies, cover-up and hypocrisy within the force on the streets. He's speaking truth to power, and what you are about to hear will leave your mouth wide open. First up, Omar Miller, aka Miller 9, the detective, will take you deep into the corrupt legacy of Omar Miller 9. Yeah, Miller, the detective turned gangster, once feared, now disgraced, who fled Jamaica the moment Vybz Kartel was arrested for the brutal murder of Clive Lizard Williams. Why did Miller 9 run like a rat when Kartel fell? What secrets did he carry with him across the borders? And why are certain high-ranking officers still protecting his name? These are not allegations, these are facts from a man who was on the inside. The hero cop, the dunce cop, and the demon cop. Yeah, man. The detective doesn't stop there. He's going to break down 3 types of police officers in Jamaica. The ones who want to talk about publicly. So you have the hero cop, the silent warriors who risk everything for truth and justice, but are often sidelined or killed off by the same system they served. Like Detective Sergeant Courtney Simpson, who was killed by police officers, for cover up for the alleged issuing of guns by a former minister of the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, Julian Robinson. And then you have a police when named Rocky. He's the one that Simpson named. He's the one that who gave the order that they must send Courtney Simpson to the departure lounge. So then you have the dunce cop, badge wearers who have no business carrying a firearm, clueless about the law, easily manipulated, and perfect pawns for criminal dons and dirty politicians. And then there's a demon cop, yeah, man, and there's no better example of that than Constable Callis Chucky Brown. Yes, the same man who turned the badge into a mask for murder. The detective will expose how Chucky Brown's rogue operations violate the very core of the JCF oath and how he operates with impunity, and how those who stood by and did nothing are just as guilty. You're going to hear a man all beat up Chucky Brown, take away him gun, and take away him gun, you know, could have killed him, and empty him gun, him 38, and give him the gun and the shot. Can you believe that? So this isn't a documentary, it's a warning. This is the kind of content that YouTube doesn't want trending. It's the kind of truth that terrifies politicians, angers criminals, and shames corrupt cops, which means you need to hear, and Jamaica need to hear it. So remember, you know, we don't fear dance, we don't fear badges, we fear silence. So the detective speak, yeah man. So this is part 3, Milanine, the Duns cop, the hero cop, and the demons. So moving on to part 3 of this 3-part series. You watch, you listen, and you decide. I will respect the detective for being bold, frank, and as we say, you know, we have a platform where people, all walks of life, you know, speak truth to power. So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
Oh,
can't know nothing that did not even straight when him dead.
Yeah, man, we know, yeah. Yeah, man, we know that. We know it's never straight. I just visa then come up and just run off and start the badness. But Colonel, he just so lucky. He so lucky because in January, when I was 18, you know. So he so lucky that he get with so much things when he die flying, so they get with so much things that he must feel saying can just carry their luck, they come up.
Yeah, man, and he used to go like bad man still doing it.
Yes, yeah man, he used to use it 38 and fire 38 no matter. When in the flying squad and get over there because them time I remember say our police say come, you know. Now you know have no Indy come, you know. As a matter of fact, you only have one set of man for the same flying squad where investigate people. You understand? And for them say don't go say just not go say and he dead, you know, nobody if you investigate them. You understand?
I rather than bring him come to America.
Yeah. Radigan doing to America.
Radigan with them killer California. Yeah.
Because he always align himself with them and them.
With criminal man, I don't know them do.
Yeah man, even my boy them will dance. Man them in that friend.
Bogo?
Yes, man them boy. Yes, man them in that friend too. Man them are them type of man they are friend. Man them he used to do things for all them. He's not afraid to do. He's brave. He's like
that's not brave. I'm stupid, you know.
No man, but in order to be brave, you have to stupid now. In order to stupid, you're brave. Sometimes, for instance, the boy with name Milanine.
Oh, with that jail of California.
He's stupid and he's brave. So look into it. Because if you never brave, then you couldn't go to California, but you'll try.
That's why I'm stupid. That's why I say I'm stupid. You know?
So he's stupid and he's brave because any man will take the chance to go in a place where you look for man, to kill man, to rob man anyway. You have to brave to do that too. So then stupid, but then brave to in order to take on a task like that. Because remember California is a serious place. And if you go in a place where you know some man like if you have gun.
And camera.
Alright. And have camera. You understand what I'm saying? Stupid like hey, you see, me tell Brooks, I'm probably his name Brooks, he's supposed to know him at DSP now. Me tell Brooks I don't sorry for the boy one bit. But true Brooks I used to work on.
One Brooks.
No man, same boy we have Milanine man.
Oh, not thief man. I know say same cartel make him run from Jamaica when they lock up cartel.
Yes man, I know man.
That's why I'm running if I'm fee say him not get drug in night, you know.
Fine. But me I said to Brooks say I don't sorry for him, not one bit, you know, sorry for him. You understand? Not one bit. Because them charge we see him get to off of Jamaica. I just okay enough to get to off of them, you know. And he get to off of them, other things that behave himself, and he go over there and I rob people anyway. Me not sorry for him, not even a bit. But through Brooks time, used to work up a contemporary. Brooks kind of sorry for him.
I'm not sorry for criminal Rasta.
No man, I'm not sorry for him at all, man. You know, so you say if a man them a do they work in a line I do it like how Brooks used to kill boy up and I mean get charged. Besides for Brooks, not the time there.
In the church, murder?
Fight, my fight. Yes, man. Putting out there for a while. Yeah, man, out there for a while. And like Brooks, them, you know, so Brooks, you know, around for putting on a criminal. Because when I end a Spanish song, we so go. Like, remember one time, some boy from Grandspin, they dead. One boy from Grandspin, they dead. They might keep it in funeral at Sligoville. They might choose my Sligoville. Can't go body guard Dove Cup. I remember me and my work and we go there. So, you know, when they have funerals done there, you know, police always go there and try, you know. So we go up there and some people run out them out. Run out them out when they are far from him, you know.
How would a police kill him?
No. I think a gunman they kill the boy there. The funeral now. You know, so they always police always got their funeral because you know they expect like gunfiring. You know they really you know they think so we always go there because of the reason because they won't fire shot and them celebrate it done anyway. So we go there. So when me I'm go there now, we drive go, you know, a slide of them market pictures. When the people then they're near to him and they talk close to him and say, Mr. Brooks here, but they so then they far from him, Brooks if you did because him he was a king enough wife and grandspin. And my man making charge, you know, Delroy Chuck.
You know, the man don't like policeman, you know what I'm saying?
Not at all. Hey, Porter, the man don't like police, man a drunk, you know.
You have to tell him, man.
Hey, Porter, the politics. Hey, you said that man never involved in politics, you'd love him. If he never involved in politics, you'd love him because he'd appear to be a nice man. But if any man involved in politics, the man hate police, the man love criminal, the man not top call up books name till charge road for books charge. The man not top call up books name because in Texas the criminal them. And Brooks are serious man when it comes to criminal. He no wrongfully called criminal man. The man no wrongfully called criminal. Hey. Your car was a serious police, not one police, like police was serious like him, Brooks there. No, it's not even one police no serious. Me a talk about police when me see word. Me understand so already. I used to when Chucky park and them place and make up trouble and the boy them where they used to make trouble. Me a driver him alone in my observer seat. And he have an M16 and me drive up there and we turn off the light. You know at night time you have to turn off the light and the man said me walk through this and he walk through one place and now you know meeting back on one place. That time then just kill about 7 people in our yard. Boy with the AK and then we have me alone up there. But you know they always have the special squad in and around the area. You understand? But me and him alone up at the time and the man walk through one bush and I said me for meeting back on one place. I said me first free man because I tell you say he place now run real red but he not afraid of nothing.
So where him there now?
Looks in the RC and I see that one of them places in there. One of them places, yeah, see that car.
When you say my deputy soup?
Yeah, man, my deputy soup. In deadly man, hey, right now me not see no police, not even one. But even back in the time we had talk about Tom Levine and them and they not see one of them serious like him because he must shoot people in a time where we have Indicom. Him a shoot people in Indicom time and him a write in pretty statement and him a fix up in thing. You understand me I say? Yeah, and my shoot. When we talk about, you see me that expansion where I drive through, I used to look a mural on the wall with them paint the boy them picture and with it. 9 out of 10 of them, I him kill them. 9 out of 10 of them, I kill them.
Yeah, man, him can't come down near Tom Levine and him thing. Because Tom Levine kill over 160 people.
But when me I say to you, everything when me I say to you is that in a Tom Levine days, they never have nobody to investigate police out of police investigate. So even if he do certain shooting, in a stand up to scrutiny.
Yeah.
No, you don't shoot and police just right in favor you and you know nobody. In a Brooks time, he have to stand up to scrutiny. You understand? So as a shooter man, you know, you have to get into gum statement, you have to you have to dirty people, man, me I say, because of the reason that me rate him more because me see when he do and me see when in deed case because when he fix up. You understand me I say? So that is the thing me I say. That's why me I give me rating because you know in more time I shoot people. Now more
hey, Tom Levine man, you know Tom Levine. Them man that survive some wicked shootout on them thing. They were them kill all them card and them lick down 6 of them time when one police kill 6 man in a one shootout. or escape on them thing there. And I don't
Yeah,
Yeah,
me rate him for that.
Yeah, man.
But he now is stand to scrutiny. When he done shoot, you see, when Tom Living done shoot, he can rest assured, so no murder charge now hang over his head.
True.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
No murder charge now hang over his head.
That was then, you know. Every era, just like in my era and them thing.
Yes.
You understand? Although the dangerous, every era policing different, you know.
Yeah, man, different, man. Yeah, man. So you have to give them just like in a basketball, you have. In a Magic Johnson then time or Jordan then time it's different from
LeBron.
Yeah, man, from LeBron. Yeah, man. Because personally, because me old, but me read Michael Jordan more than LeBron.
Yeah, man. Any day.
Yes, man.
You can't compare the two.
LeBron get more help, man. And LeBron then get more help. LeBron then work on
two different.
era.
Remember say,
yes, man.
I remember say a Jordan met the viewership for basketball.
Yep. Increase. Yeah, man. So you have to reason it and reason it with sense. You can't just, yeah, man, you have to reason it different. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Because just like in a cricket now, with West Indies, they have Clive Light as one of the greatest captain, but guess what, Porter?
Vivian Richards.
And a really great as a captain, he have the team where you don't have to tell a man what to do.
Everybody know if it because a team, then a certain one him get the praise.
Yeah, man, a team they just so good that he don't have nothing to do. You understand what I'm saying? When you have a team now where kind of mediocre and you as a captain, you have to use brain, to use bowler, set field, and everything, it's a different thing. Find a Clive like this. Every man know who ball in a Clive like this. Everybody know who play. Everybody know. A man just gifted them a time there. You understand? So even though his success come my name and a great as a captain, he just inherit one team. We're real good. Fine. As again, some other captain we have so alright, for instance, Brian Lara have to carry team on his shoulder more than Clive Light. Clive Light now have a responsibility with Brian Lara.
And they come like Chris Gill too, you know.
Fine, same way. They know Clive Light not have a responsibility where they can remember, you know, back in the Clive Light days, you know, a team back to do number 9, you know. Remember say no, Larry Gomes them come about 7 and everything.
True, man.
Larry Gomes them, you know, Larry Gomes them give you century after century and
true, man. Then the man come like they couldn't out, man, for real. And then you have one bad bowler back then when you're Colin Craft.
And you have Colin Craft, Joel Garner, Michael Bolin, Andy Roberts. You see, when you have them a man there and you have some other fast bowler we can't make a team better, and them a great bowler and they cannot make Sylvester Clark and them man, you know, and them man they top bowler and can't make better to show you equality that you know we have, you know. Yes, I say a two different era, brother. And them man any other team they could have make. Any other test team, them man, Sylvester Clark and them man could have make any other test team in that time. You understand, man? And then can't come in there first them and West Indies to show a class them man in the hand. So back in the day, they still know when me hear about Greg and Ian Chappell, you know, what I'm meeting a West Indies man them in the camp. You know, say man can't go to other and play for West Indies. Believe me. And Sunil Gavaskar. When me hear about Sunil Gavaskar,
yeah.
Back in the day when I lick boy, I talk about below 12 years, 10, 9 years. You know, then the things are West Indian man. When me go look older, you know, me know I'm not West Indian man because at those times I never know some man could have great so I know West Indian man play for. Cause remember when West Indies play cricket now, you only want to know how much they win by. You know they not lose.
They're not a true man. In the 80s.
Score you want. Yeah, man. Remember man, you saw them chances already. I with. Remember saying a Porter then they could ask a woman, you know, a big woman why score and they tell you know because so much of the interest of cricket. So much was it if a man dying ground Porter and put on in tape and I listen to cricket. Remember, a man dying ground in carrying tape. In tape into the tape and care for our farm work and then put it down in the ground and then listen to the cricket when the cricket are play. Our early morning before we get up here, yeah.
West Indies, yeah, true,
but Australia and everything. So much for the interest of cricket, we get up early and listen to cricket because we never used to see it on the TV, but we hear it on the radio and I hit us so we get free commentary strip on the radio, and like the later on when they come on TV and everything. But back in the days, the master radio coming to listen to Tony Coulter, Respirate, Henry Blofeld from England, and Monday. Every time the cricket more interested than even watch it on the TV. Because I watch it on the TV, I watch it I lose. That's how I watch. You understand what I say?
Yeah, man, them time we don't have JBC and you watch it in a man.
Yes.
And it did sweet. It did sweet still doing LOI Entertainment. You watch it, you understand?
Yeah, man, it's sweet. I will man. When you hear so much run into boats, I don't know them. She watch it on that.
And it's gone. Yeah, man, true, man.
And when them are looking 6 and them 4 them and climb like them, and when Richard them are looking, you don't want to see it, you all don't want to do a hear it, and it's sweet too. So I got the then time and sit down, man. The man so boy then time, man, a young boy nowadays, even a police was not put a young boy them mash up the battle, you know. And you then do know. Then want follow the scammer them and guess what then do know. Then follow the man them and then follow them go a party and show them NSC and see them and the man my friend. So we then do know then compromise the security of the people them by giving the scammer them every information we then create. And then want drive markets and then something with the scammer them.
A thief them and them don't know say different.
A thief them man. But listen, when we were police in the port, you know what we do? We use them the boy to give information to infiltrate boy. You understand me I say? Until we gun there, until we jokes there, until we that we use them the boy to find out. Them the boy you know they are being used by them the boy we used to use of it to know what go on their police was what the operation, who them all come for, when them all come and that them I don't know. We used to get information from them and use it to do the work. Now they spin it around now and I give the boy the information and the boy them get on top of things. That happen now. Because them look then cheap and them look on jump. If a man pour out a glass of NSC you want police now, you know. If he say man a friend, you know. That's all. A man pour out a glass of NSC I want dance, you want police, you say I'm bridging. You understand? And they start telling everything. I know everything will go on the police was. At that time much of the police was now because them man look to drive markets, they want to go a party, then will pour NSC with them. That's one of the biggest problem right now, you know.
Yeah.
That's one of the biggest problem right now. That's why some of my crime say so, you know. That's why crime get. But at least them a police and them a lick with someone and I tell you, so everybody appreciate you up there. Me man I tell me say boy I think could give them a 200% raise and give them glad no. Because man then glad say them a lick with.
Yeah, boy forget gunshot.
Yes man, boy forget gunshot man, boy if you run away. Boy if you know say when certain police are work. And even when with their crime done. If certain police are work, you know, say feel like you know get a serious crime because boy take himself off the street. Boy not do certain apps. No, but if certain man are work, they're not afraid of, then take the street. Just notice. Back in the days. Yeah man. So you know you have to have someone who drive fear in that boy man. And you know say see if you drive fear in them and you know thief, man you get things and law abiding people, you know. You get help, you know, because when me there find that when me build house, if you go there if you buy one loan and start, if you get a loan. You get me I say? So you know if you teach nobody. If you go to buy a load of sand, if you get a load, if you go to buy a black, a man will give 120 or 130 or 40 black on top of what you buy. You understand what I say? And man we come help to the plumber will give you a price where he not kill you. You understand what I say? If you go to fix your car, a mechanic will fix your car and he not kill you with price. So you know, I feel do certain things.
Yeah.
You know, I feel do certain things. You understand what I say?
True, man.
You know, I feel do certain things, man. So I just swim in water down the thing, man, and just long hair for people sitting. You understand? So you never have a license going down there?
Yeah, man, I'm going down there, man.
So you renew your license. You know, Sergeant Duran, you're that client then.
And him boy was criminal, I was police and him killed.
Yes, you have a boy that criminal. Where the boy there?
The boy dead, man.
What you say?
Them kill the boy, man.
You serious?
Yeah, man. Duran.
Which one you kill him?
They kill him in a one spear police here, man. Come for buy gun. Him and two other boy did dead. Him did lose the work, you know.
Yes, me about that. But listen now.
I did have all the number for him, you know. Him for Georgia, in Georgia.
Yes, I mean, go down for renewing the license and I mean take away him gun.
Why them take away him gun?
Let's see if I fire and you know I'm not gun. Yes, they have the class where they drop a bomb, but they never fire and I don't want to gun.
Eat that thing that though.
You don't see that thing. Well, look how they skip it, Porter. If you leave a friend and you left your gun with them, you see, and they might collect money from you, fee, you know, involved in criminal activities. Yeah. What is the problem? You tell me now. How can that be a burden? How that be a bother? Remember, Porter, they raise, you know, the storage fee from $300 a month to $1,000 a month. You make money off of storage.
How much a month you have to pay for it?
$1,000 a month now. $1,000 a month.
A thief, them, man.
But I am saying, if I'm under a friend, I collect $1,000 a month from him for storage, and he not use it gun. You collect $20,000 a year from him for the same gun. You not forget them. You just make it lock with somewhere on them thing there. You understand? No, but by FIDEM regulation, by FIDEM firearm act, by firearm law, you're supposed to give them when you come a friend. You understand? If you left it, like for instance, say me come one day with a woman, you left at station. The station is supposed to send it to give them. You understand? So that I feel I regulation.
So because of money and everything.
Yes, man. Because of money. Because remember, say if you left your station, I will collect from you, and they might miss that money there. So then say you have to carry on get once you come a friend, you carry on get them. Or you left at station, carry on get them. So they work it. So then don't miss the money. But I am simply saying, if I'm under a friend and I adhere to them their rules the way you have, what is the problem? A man want to come back and he come back to Jamaica and want to feel safe by having him going to protect himself. So I must see that thing, man. Because of that now, Shane Darling, they must be coming with something, you know. Shane Darling, they coming with something.
Shane Darling, don't like police, you know. The man, they are criminal.
And tell me, me say not like police. I know for what reason, but me say not like police.
Yeah, not like police, man.
Impression of ex-police. There are enough ex-police. They one brother, you must live with one brother named Young. It was a call in Saddam. He used to fight crime and crime and to man.
Thompson.
No, Young.
Oh, man.
Young, we used to call him Saddam. We call him Young, we used to call him Saddam. Young, me that special, man. When you don't name a special, when you're that kind of you a special. You used to get bank and everything. And you used to get bank and something. He come from around, he done bad detective, man. He's a killing of boy a crime. And I think he's a serious boy, yeah. You know, to do your work the right way. Because people don't know, say, they hate police to do their work the right way. You know?
I'll police it, you want to kill you.
People, a man will say, you know, like Porter, why? Because we not be blind. A man will hate you to the point where you're dead. And then now you will love the police now, where give the blind, collect money and everything. You understand what I say? Yeah. Because as far as I'm concerned, that the police, they make him a live. So in particular, the police make him a live. But you know, we are all law, and so you know what to live. You understand me? You know what to send people to go school and everything. I know for them way they talk about sending people to school at the my criminal. I've seen them picking that road at the wrongs now going to school. You understand me? I say, but that picture them paint and people gravitate to it. People take on to it, man. So the Jamaican stay. So me know that for sure. Me know them as something. So you be very best and clean. And you talk about Gunter one. Road clean police, Ruben Gunter.
Yeah, man.
Good clean police. But that Gunter, I don't know how he can get the DSP. I don't know.
I'm supposed to soon that. You know, say my big fat hunter brother-in-law though.
Come in, say Poland come from. How them become brother-in-law?
Hunter one picnic with Gunter, sister.
Okay.
But you know, say,
yes, man. But listen now, Porter. Taking me tell us. You see, he mix up, I tell you, he just love association. He just love cling to someone, but he not get that thing. He just because you know, say
he not nothing to show feet. Send them a use him and them thing, they skin down and them people now.
Yes, and they mess up their life. But I did the same thing with Chucky Brown. Chucky Brown love associated and he now have not to show feet. Because Chucky Brown wasn't even driving a good car. You understand? And look at Carol and that driver at the time. You understand? But he love the limelight. Chucky Brown can't read and write, you know. Chucky Brown. When me dad, listen, he go up and see how he goes and feel and then run him off, you know. When me dad narcotics, when me dad era 3 narcotics, Chucky Brown up by flying squad up there. And I threw him father, I'm like, skip him father, and keep him. And I tell you, say, Chucky Brown follow some bailiff, St. Anne, Actually, go for do a bailiff for it. You know, if bailiff always ask police to come in.
Yeah, man.
I know so one boy take away 38 from Chucky Brown and fling where around them. I end up giving back a
The
gun.
empty gun. He lucky.
What do you mean?
He lucky.
Me and one brother that came man. I don't know if you hear about him. One detective that came man named JD, right? A top Jamaican detective that came man. He go back to Scotland Yard and he left a came man go and then look at Ireland go investigate the murder for the man in with him. I mean, you see them look at Ireland where they're controlled by England.
Yeah.
You know, Cayman controlled by England.
Yeah, man.
And then look at Ireland there. Him go help them with it. Me and JD, right? Top. When we talk about top detective, top investigator. That's what I am. Well, me and him used to always, because he used to go narcotics with me, and he used to always mud Chucky Brown. Because Chucky Brown no use him, but if he get it gun, he shoot you and walk away, and then you have to write and fix up the situation.
Yeah, man, because I know he's done.
He used to shoot enough boy in a man in their foot, you know, where grab chain or where pickpocket. But this one, no. The boy didn't take with himself, then come back on and say, that's why he get after them, because when he shoot them in their foot and they run with you, they know I grab them, I grab chain and people. They're not
step them shots.
Fine. And shot and gone. And then he now don't look more to say just come like a gunman shoot him. Even though everybody knows that him, he not come out tight because the boy fine and a complain that you know he going. You understand what I'm saying? And everybody knows why I hear them, why I'm glad Mr. Chucky never killed me. Then start away and then gone because your children never killed me. But if I didn't know where you have in the come argument, you know it I go. You know it I go. But I become before in the come, so you get to have them. So that he making name offer. Until he get more go more Skengdan and then we there until
Skengdan I'm thinking I'm Godfather, you know.
Yes, man. Skengdan Godfather.
In a real life.
Yeah, man. Me know. He do anything. In the past sick leave now, M16 now, and they write all a Scots party, so a direct traffic and sick leave. Yes, I have the M16. They fancy leave and I have the M16. And they have an M16 sling around in back anyway. And this, we don't know where lucky so. He's actually daddy the boat. So but in daddy I just look at man where you look at him some farm product that tongue will give soup the man anyway.
Yeah, man, if man KD night a family too, you know.
Yeah, because St. Dilbert KD I originate from. So yeah. Yeah, man, I originally from St. Dilbert, so we have family for true. Also, the daddy cannot have a look impact from fit him, Chucky Brown, the flying squad. The daddy know people, and then just check for your daddy for who him is. I don't really say.
Daddy was a bad man too in a film days, you know, but him dunce too, you know.
Yes, very done. Yeah, man, that's true. Yeah, man, that's true. Very, very done. But he's okay with a thing that tongue will be top man then. Like food and so. And because of that now, then kind of, take on to him a little way. But, no sense. We can't talk properly. I mean, they are here at you when I tell you. They are Manchester. They are Manchester. And then I think they are here at you. Here at you Manchester. Besides that, here at you part of Manchester. So I used to debate them. And so people know about a long standing man, they just show up respect him, but they are not ratings. But then just show up respect him during the long time. I think most of the service out there in a year or two.
I mean, don't go with the man them thing there when them just get inspired. The man they depraved body, no man.
Yeah, man. Them are true. Because them man they we see them man they coming like one man in here. You must know one man in here, Mr. Walla. Them man is so good on money was. So in that line in town, you see, the man they good on money was. Then some more things say ain't got money was and I eat with the king cut of them. I used to king town. Then he used to that line in town. That time he used to have assistant superintendent in charge of line in town. Yeah, the man used to live in Sawala. The man is supposed to be dead because a big man them. The man is supposed to be dead by now. Sawala. You never hear about Mr. Walla?
Yeah, man, me hear about him, but I don't know him.
Yeah, man, he used to be a kind of man. He used to do a line in town. That time they used to have an assistant soup. A line in town and they used to have one up at Chapelton. Back in the days. Not and South. He used to have assistant. So Mr. Waller used to work on it. So he's a man, you know, and then I say a low life man. He go like, no, I thought the king cut of them food and everything. So then he used to diss him up. He used to diss him up. He was a little body. Yes. He used to diss him up. So he was a little body. He can't know that I thought the king cut of them food. When they go down money must. Yeah, man, so then he used to diss him up. He used to rate him. Mr. Waller. I never forgot about it, Mr. Waller. But I don't know if he's still alive. Some of them man is still alive now, but then true them man no famous man you know, because what they have missing one policeman dead or ex-police dead. And the man almost 90-year-old, I couldn't believe.
Who that? Which one?
I don't remember his name, you know, I will look you up. And I look at dead column where they are to show you police, they show you like people. One look at dead column, one look at square column where they show you picture and ID, you know. And somebody is saying, go and give me. I don't remember her name, but I thought that police died long ago. Because the police, when they retired, they're not that long to that meeting in the land. What makes me frightened? Me, I go look up back. I look you up back and see how it's. I was so surprised because me, I said, man, they not that long time.
That's true, man. Some man, you can't believe, you know.
You can't believe because you rate a whole them dead when they retire soon.
That's true, man.
You can't believe, say, man, they live. All right, I'll give you one example. Screwmaker, I suppose he's still alive.
Yeah, man, him still alive.
Alright. Screwmaker, in them 80s, you know?
Yeah, man, the man, the old man.
Screwmaker in the 80s. So I them a man, a certain man there tell say when me yesterday and like, oh man, man, who was just what they make some of that, and when they say they come give me. I mean I said to them, say, you know our next man we alive and I go one named G.U. Miller.
G.U. Miller him drive thing there Tickman Earth.
Who?
Him drive Tickman Earth.
Alive. That's him work with Perry's.
Yeah man, him work it. Can you believe it, man?
Yes.
Oh,
yes,
man retire and do all them thing there. Wow. Him couldn't find a better work, Rasta.
But listen now, Porter, listen what happened now. Some of them man, them is it?
Honest
man. Listen now, some of the honest man, they're simple. So they don't sound like a simple work. You understand what I say? Because them man, they have them man, they're honest man, you know.
True.
So what happened now? True, I just look at police pension, then depend on
her. Yeah, man, that
Castle living gone left it. So they have to find one next thing to survive. So no, true, the man no one going no high profile, and they don't know high profile people for go amongst into that and just know say, well, that they paying like a bill and just yeah. Yeah, so I thought to them they always so simple, man, just live simple. So that him fine to do. And as far as I'm concerned, that's simple to him. So he just go and do it. One next brother, you know, if the man is still alive now, when we down mobile one man named Atkins, when he used to drive a red car, I think a Mustang, something like that 9 days. Then the time the police never used to have car. So when a man have a red Mustang like that, they rate him. You understand what I say? He named Atkins, one little short, Indian looking man. Go live over Portmore. You don't know if the man is still alive. You don't know if you know the man there. A short, brown, prettier man. And then you support him saying in ideas and wall up man with glasses, wall up criminal with glasses, stick it up, don't move. There's the more thing. Where we down mobile, there's the more thing I say in wall up man with glasses, stick it up or don't move. Yes. And then he named Atkins and last name man. The man that live over Portmore. He have a nice red Mustang. You can't even lean on it, you can't look on it, you shine it on all the while. The time police don't have car. Police no one car like that. One or two police. You have man have a little Cartina, man them within Capri,
and then the
Escort. Those are the cars that one or two police used to own in time. So when him have a Mustang, a big thing, a big deal in time. The man you don't know if the man is still alive. But the man the type of man back in the days. When me that mobile I talk about 30 no years. And them man, I go see them not go in the 40s or so. So them man, they run up in the 75, go up. You understand?
Yeah.
Them man, them. Enough of them man, they still about, but you're not going to know. You're not going to tell you, say, something to them man dead and you see them put you up. You understand? Enough of them man, they about, man. And enough of them man, they don't know no links. They don't know the police work. And they just get them retired, then live off of their pension, and then go to some security. But I think you got to do security, man.
That's true, man.
down in Jamaica. Up here can different because sometimes there's some building you there up here and just, check through people, and then but down in Jamaica, they don't do it better. They don't do it. They don't do it better.
Anyway, forget that Jai talking with man.
Yeah, man, bless up, man. And lock me number, son. If you tell you when you see me, I call you answer. Because many times I call you,
Alright, you lock your number, man.
Lock your number, man. We talk, man. Take it easy, man.
Yeah, man. I remember we have come to the end of part 3. Listen to this detective telling us, sharing his experience of, in serving in the Jamaica Constabulary Force from Portland all the way to Clarendon, St. Catherine, Mobile Reserve, and this man has been there and done that. So we appreciate him for for his candor, and look, we appreciate it. Police officers who are not afraid to speak up and don't care about what people think about them. Because look here, remember, fear is imaginary. You only can die once. And anytime somebody calls somebody an informer, say because they're a truth teller. We at the Jamaica Young Police and I want truth tellers to be heroes, not to be something like you want to scorn, or people say you're informer or something bad. No, informers. Yeah, we say informer are good people because they are patriots. Them speak truth. Yeah, criminals are the one who are dishonest. Everything about them are lies. We don't like liars and we don't like criminals. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.